What if the single biggest block between you and a life of staggering wealth isn't your job, your education, or even the balance in your bank account, but a number you haven't written down yet? I'm not asking you to take this at face value. In fact, I invite you to stay a little skeptical, but I also ask you to open your mind to a possibility that has been quietly changing lives for more than 60 years. A secret discovered and shared by the mystic Conny Méndez. This is not about wishful thinking. This is not just about being positive. This is something deeper, what she called cosmic programming. And today I am going to share with you the exact code that became a lifeline for an ordinary woman who was drowning in debt and who went on to transform her life completely. Stay with me because the universe is about to reveal its message, not in words, but in numbers. But before we dive in, let me remind you what this channel is about. You're watching Cosmic Connect, a place where we talk about abundance, about money energy, and about the hidden spiritual principles that unlock prosperity. If you've ever felt like wealth is just out of reach or like you've been working hard without results, then this channel exists to show you that it's not luck, it's alignment, it's vibration. It's about connecting with the hidden currents of energy that surround you. So, before we go any further, take a moment to do something powerful. Head down to the comments right now and type this declaration: I am the wealth of God in action. Don't just type it mechanically. Feel it as you write. Every word carries energy. Every letter is a statement to the universe that you are ready, that you are willing, and that you are no longer accepting lack as your story. This is how we prepare the fertile ground of your mind for the seed I am about to place there. Now let me take you back. Caracas, Venezuela, 1968. A woman named Carmen Rodriguez lived in a cramped apartment, barely surviving. She was 43, a secretary whose life had turned gray. Her dreams were long gone, her energy consumed by the endless worry of bills she couldn't pay. She was, in her own words, invisible. But one humid evening, desperate for hope, she found herself at the back of a crowded theater listening to Conny Méndez. Conny was speaking about metaphysics, about the unseen laws of vibration, frequency, and divine mathematics. And then she did something remarkable. She leaned forward and whispered a secret that was not in any of her published books. She called it the number that rains money. That number was not 777, not 888, not any of the numbers people usually associate with wealth. It was something different, something decoded from her study with spiritual masters. It was 361. For Carmen, sitting there in the darkness, it wasn't just a number, it was a lifeline. It was hope. It was as if the universe had whispered directly to her soul, write this number and your reality will change. So why 361? Why this specific sequence? Because 361 is not just a number, it is a formula, a cosmic blueprint for creation. Let's break it down. The first part is 300. The number 3 represents the divine spark, the Holy Trinity present in every culture: mind, body, spirit, thought, word, action. Multiply 3 by 100, the number of physical manifestation, and 300 becomes the full command for a divine idea to appear in reality. It is like sending a spiritual blueprint to the universal factory floor. The second part is 60. 6 represents harmony, structure, and creation, the 6 days of divine work. Multiply 6 by 10, the number of expansion, and you get 60. 60 is the vibration of perfect order and flawless timing. It ensures that what you manifest is not fragile or unstable, but lasting, and complete. And the final part is one. One is unity. One is the I am. It is your connection to God, to Source, to the infinite. Without the one, the equation has no anchor. With it, the formula connects directly back to you, making you the co-creator of your reality. So when you write 361, you are not scribbling digits. You are issuing a layered command to the universe. I command the divine blueprint 300 to be perfectly built 60 through my unity with Source 1. And why do you write it 18 times? Because 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 is the number of completion, wisdom, and reward. When you write the code 18 times, you take your intention through both a full spiritual cycle and a full material cycle. 9 for the unseen, 9 for the seen. Together, they seal your intention in both worlds, creating an unbreakable circle of manifestation. That night, Carmen did not just listen. She acted. She followed Connie's instructions with the discipline of someone who had nothing left to lose. And this is the very method she used. Step 1. On waking, before speaking to anyone, before checking your phone, sit down with a clean sheet of white paper. White represents a blank field of potential. Use a pen with blue or black ink, colors that carry authority and permanence. Step 2. At the top of the page, write today's full date and your full name. This is you anchoring the work to yourself in this exact moment. Step 3. Beneath your name, write the decree. I am the wealth of God in action. Within me is the power to attract what I need and more. Step 4. Now comes the key. Write the number 361 exactly 18 times. For the best flow, write them in 6 rows of 3, creating a balanced grid of energy. Step 5. As your pen forms each word, feel it. Don't just see 361 on the page. Feel the 3 as a spark of creation. Feel the 6 as the satisfaction of harmony and structure. Feel the 1 as your divine unity with Source. At the same time, visualize abundance flowing to you: money, opportunities, freedom, joy. Let the mental chant play in the background. Unexpected doors open, unseen channels appear, prosperity flows freely to me. Step 6. When you have written all 18, fold the page neatly and place it in your wallet or purse. Carry it for 21 days. This cycle is essential because it reprograms your subconscious mind and allows the energy to anchor. Now, here is the truth. Writing 361 is not enough if you do it with doubt in your heart. Think of the number as a cosmic phone number. Your feelings are the send button. Writing without belief is like dialing but never pressing call. The connection never happens. But if you write with certainty, gratitude, and joy, the universe cannot help but respond. This is why Carmen's life began to change. It wasn't overnight, but from the 21st day, things started aligning. A small baking business grew. Contracts came. Stability returned. She never again faced the cold grip of lack. She had proven to herself that she was the source of her own abundance. And 361 was the reminder that activated it. Now the code is in your hands. The only question is, will you use it? For the next 21 days, commit to this sacred practice. And when the results appear, because they will, come back to this video and share them. Begin your comment with the phrase, 361 brought me. And then tell your story. Because here on Cosmic Connect, we don't just believe in individual abundance, we believe in collective abundance. Your miracle becomes the spark for someone else's. Remember this truth. Your old reality is waiting for you to keep it alive, but your new reality is waiting for you to write it into existence. The pen is already in your hand. The code is 361. Now it's your turn.